Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-Keto and Low-Carb channel. Today I'll be making my favorite gluten-free and wheat-free keto and low-carb phyllo pastry sheets, perfect for savory and sweet dishes. So straight into the ingredients. Here I have 1 cup of egg whites, and then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of almond flour. To hold everything together, I'm going to use agar-agar, which I find on Amazon UK. It's a vegan vegetarian substitute for gelatin. So I'm going to add 1 full tablespoon of agar-agar, but of course you can use an animal gelatin if desired. I'm going to use a handheld mixer to mix everything together. Our 3-ingredient phyllo pastry mixture is now ready. You can tell when it's ready when you can see those frothy bubbles coming up, indicating that the mixture has blended well. Now I'm going to show how easy it is to make the phyllo sheets and a quick demonstration of how I make Turkish borek. So for the best results, I'm going to use a heavy cast iron skillet frying pan. I'm going to let the frying pan to warm up slightly, and when brushing on the mixture, I'm going to slightly raise the pan. The frying pan is now warm. I'm going to use a silicone pastry brush to brush on the mixture onto the pan. I'm going to make sure to fill any gaps developing, and this is the first layer. Now I'm going to brush on the second layer. You can tell the phyllo sheet is now nearly ready because you can see the edge slightly raises by itself. And our phyllo sheet is now ready. You can see it's a little dry, but if you keep it to the side for 2 minutes, it will naturally soften up. Our phyllo sheets are now ready. I managed to get a good amount of large round phyllo sheets. Now I'm going to show you a very quick demonstration of how easy it is to use these sheets and how malleable and crunchy they get. So I'm just going to make a quick egg borek. So using a frying pan with hot oil. Then onto the frying pan, place one of our phyllo pastry sheets and then place a seasoned egg onto the middle. Then we can add some cheese if you would like, and then place on top of that another sheet of the phyllo pastry. Then I'm going to allow it to fry for a few minutes until it develops that lovely golden color. I'm going to flip it so it can be brown on both sides. Our lovely golden borek is now ready, which we made with our homemade phyllo sheets. So you can store these in plastic baggies and you can put in the fridge, not freezer. And if for some reason, if they do become a little dry, just microwave them for a few seconds so they can become more malleable again. So using these phyllo pastry sheets, I managed to get a nice crunchy borek. Like I said, you can use these for savory and sweet dishes. Any questions, please let me know. Leave any comments below, and until next time.